Joyful Monday everyone, February 24, 2025, and it's a beautiful sunny Monday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at sa mga blessings na darating pa din kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and challenging. At siyempre, pasalamatan din natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at dun sa mga tao, presence ng mga taong nakikimanitis lang dun sa paligid natin that inspires us to do more in life. Ayun. Shoutout nun kina Glenda, Glenn Snow and Pucci, Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mamalu, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Janet Panag, and Alde Calvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Yung Mark Ace Alcopra, and siyempre sa Boslot TV, ayun. Nanimpa Pasibigan, Jima David, Migo Mayan, Mabilandes, Elizabeth Kibara, Ailima Agla, Eds Macalina, Winnie Claire Santiago, Clyde Dion, at sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Gates. Peoples of the day natin po is, unless you work hard and exert your last ounce of energy, tears and emotion, then life will never be easy nor perfect. Keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, joyful Monday, everyone.